Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index slipped to around 98.65 on Tuesday, hitting a one-week low as optimism over a potential US-China trade deal reduced demand for safe haven assets. Washington and Beijing have reportedly agreed on the framework of a deal to be signed later this week by Presidents Trump and Xi. Meanwhile, the Fed is widely expected to cut rates by 25 basis points on Wednesday, with markets watching closely for signals of another move in December. WTI crude traded near $60 as OPEC's production increase plans overshadowed optimism around the US-China trade framework. Demand concerns continue to weigh on prices, although renewed US sanctions on Russia and stronger than expected domestic consumption provided some support. OPEC and its allies have reversed earlier output cuts to regain market share, helping stabilize prices. While short-term momentum remains soft, the tightening supply picture could gradually build a bullish setup for oil in the coming months. Gold extended its decline for a third straight day on Tuesday, falling to around $3,886. Easing US-China tensions have reduced demand for safe haven assets, despite Fed rate cut expectations pressuring the dollar. The ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe has limited the downside somewhat, but traders are cautious ahead of the Fed's two-day meeting. Gold may continue consolidating between $3,900 and $4,000 as investors take profit after last month's sharp rally from $3,800 to $4,400. The dollar-yen pair briefly dipped below 152 inches early Asian trading, but held above major support as optimism about a US-China trade deal curbed safe haven demand. Traders are now focused on the Bank of Japan's policy announcement Thursday. Japan's new Prime Minister, Sanae Takaichi, is expected to maintain expansionary fiscal policies, resisting any early tightening. This stance could pressure the yen, while risk-on sentiment continues to limit its strength. All eyes are on BOJ Governor Ueda's post-meeting comments for fresh direction. The euro hovered near 1.165, little change from last week as markets brace for a pivotal week of trade talks, central bank decisions, and key European data. Progress in US-China negotiations has lifted sentiment, with attention shifting to the upcoming Trump-XI meeting expected to finalize the preliminary deal. The ECB is widely expected to hold rates steady, while the Fed is seen cutting borrowing costs to support slowing growth.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.